Okay, freshmen, when I call your name, you are going to come up through this side, the left side over here, or your right side. Come right through the line, smash right through the banner, and welcome to your new home of Carpentry. First name, but be careful of the frame. Thank you. Good stuff. Here we go. First name, Juan Camilo. Juan Camilo. Patrick Limarino. Patrick Limarino. Adamir Lopes. Adamir Lopes. Spencer Nickerson. Spencer Nickerson. Nick Packett. Nick Packett. Brenner Rivero. Brenner Rivero. Jermaine Rivera. Jermaine Rivera. Haley Welch. Haley Welch. She is not here also. Not here. Okay, once again, big round of applause for the freshmen and Carpentry. Congratulations.